She's up. Never mind. Nigga. Ew. Embarrass me.
Shoot you.
So where are we going, girlfriend?
No, we're not doing that one again. Wait.
Where'd she go? Shut up, Chelsea! What's there? Oh, you're messed up. What is she doing? Okay. Oh, somebody touched my ass.
Many pooping.
Oh, I'm gonna go up there! How do I jump?
Jump from the top.
Oh crap!
Do it.
I'll hurt myself. Do it.
Chelsea, I can't. I'll hurt myself. Don't.
Then go on the dresser right there and then jump off from the dresser.
Do we need a firefighter?
Just go. Don't be a Panunu. Don't be a Kyle Panoni. Ah! Snap! Just do it.
We need to call 911.
I am going!
Okay, she's going. Did it work?
No, it hurt.
Oh, look at you did your wings.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.